In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do email marketing using Brevo. Once you are logged into your Brevo account, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation. You will be working from the left sidebar, where Brevo groups tools by purpose. For this tutorial, everything starts in the marketing area, because that is where campaigns are managed. First, go to the left sidebar and click Marketing. Then click Campaigns. This opens the Campaigns dashboard, where you can see any emails you have sent before, drafts you have started, and the option to create something new. It is a good place to confirm you are in the right section before you begin. Next, look to the top right corner and click Create a Campaign. A menu will appear so you can choose the campaign type. Select Email. This tells Brevo you are building a standard email campaign, not something like SMS or another channel. Now you will be prompted to name your campaign. Enter a clear campaign name, since this name helps you stay organized later when you review results. Duplicate campaigns or search through your history. A simple naming style that includes the topic and the date can help, but choose whatever is easiest for you to recognize. After you type the name, click Create Campaign. With the campaign created, it is time to choose who will receive it. Click Add Recipients, then select your list. Make sure you pick the correct list, since this controls the audience for your email. If you have multiple lists, pause here and double-check the list name so you do not send the wrong message to the wrong group. After your recipients are set, move on to completing the main campaign details. Fill in the subject section with a clear, specific subject line that matches the content of your email. Keep it accurate and easy to understand, since the subject is what most people see first. Then go to the design section. This is where you build the email content itself. Focus on making the layout clean and readable, with consistent spacing and a clear message. Before you finish, quickly review your subject and design together to make sure they match and look professional. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.